Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you some cool crafts to help you look and feel just like our favorite spies, Tony and Patty from Spy Kids Armageddon on Netflix. Get ready to save the world with these DIY gadgets. You'll want to start with a pair of black sneakers like these. Okay, first I'm going to measure the length of the LED lights by placing them around the base of the shoe to figure out where I should trim it to fit the shoe. Now I'm going to cut the strip where I measured, making sure to cut in the middle of an orange section so I don't break the lights. Wouldn't want our spy shoes failing during a secret mission. Now let's attach the LED strip to our shoe. Peel off the backing paper little by little and stick it to the shoe. Make sure to press down on the part where you attach the strip before moving on to the next section to make sure it's stuck on nice and tight. Next, we're going to make a pouch for the battery pack. Using a piece of black felt, cut it so it forms a rectangle a little bigger than the battery pack. Then glue along the two open edges. Now, fold it in half. Next, let's glue the pouch to the inside of the shoe and place the battery pack inside. Then all that's left is repeating for the other shoe. And there you have it, your very own spy shoes. Hope you dig your new spy kicks. I sure do.
Spy fashion!
Now let's make a spy watch to go with these shoes. I'm gonna start by tracing 2 circles out of holographic paper and then I'll cut them out. Then cut one into a spiral. Then I'm going to draw the Armageddon logo on the back of the gold holographic paper and then I'll cut it out. Using double stick tape, tape the gold A onto the top of the red spiral. And attach it to the watch face. And there you go, your very own spy watch. Hope you dig your new spyware. Don't forget to watch or rewatch Spy Kids Armageddon on Netflix. See you on the next secret mission.